Turning now to Stormwatch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman, tracking our current conditions outside. We've been talking about how cold it is, but is this something we're going to see for the existing future?
For a while, yeah. It's going to stay pretty cold here as we round out 2021. Take a look outside right now, 34 degrees in Medford. Visibility at 8 miles. We have been seeing some areas of freezing fog develop tonight. We're awaiting the next storm system that's going to move in tomorrow. You can see some of the wintry weather further to the north, and this is all heading in our direction. But definitely some areas will see more of an impact than others when it comes to snow. More on that in a second. But temperatures right now down to 12 degrees at Lake of the Woods. It's 31 in Jacksonville, 30 in Cave Junction. And look at the coast, already down to 33 degrees in Port Orford and Brookings. We have that freeze warning in place from midnight to 9 a.m. tomorrow. And then for Northern California, those temperatures, a few spots dropping down into the teens in Hilt as well as Mount Shasta. And look at the east side, 7 only in Lakeview. It's 7 in Bly. We're down to 0 in Beatty as well as Christmas Valley, and 10 degrees in Klamath Falls. Some spots likely will drop a little bit below 0 to start off tomorrow. So very cold. Also some areas of freezing fog impacting the basin as well as towards the Mount Sexton area and then up into Douglas County. Tonight, it's going to be cold, lows dropping down into the 20s in our west side valleys, teens in Northern California, and single digits above and below 0 for the east side for tonight. Now tomorrow, clouds will increase, winds will pick up for the mountains and the east side, and we will get some rain and snow showers to push into the region. Snow levels will climb up to about 1,500 or 2,000 feet as we head into the afternoon, but most of the accumulating snow that will impact travel will be above 2,500 feet in Jackson County, where we do have a winter weather advisory. 2 to 5 inches of snow expected. This includes Prospect, Butte Falls, also along the Umpqua Divide, but also along the Cascades. We will get several inches of new snow, about 3 to 6 inches expected. That winter weather advisory from 10 a.m. tomorrow to 10 a.m. on Friday. You can see those higher amounts right along the Cascades, Crater Lake, Lake of the Woods, 3 to 6 inches. Locally, maybe a bit of a higher amount in some spots, but also some of the higher terrain of the east side could see a quick 1 to 2 inches. But for places like Medford, even Ashland and Talent, trace to an inch. It won't add up to all that much. Here's a look at road conditions. If you need to travel over the Cascade Passes, best to do that tomorrow morning. Things will get snowier as we go throughout the afternoon, and Thursday evening, snow and wind could make for some difficult travel over those passes. So here's a look at Stormcast as we head through the morning hours into the afternoon. We start to see some of that rain and snow pushing into the region, but notice it's really not widespread and heavy. The main impacts will be along and near the Cascades for tomorrow into Friday morning. But even by Friday, just some lingering snow showers, especially along and east of the Cascades. And then we get a bit of a break in the action into the holiday weekend. It is looking dry, but it will be cold as we ring in 2022, getting back down into the 20s. For the Rogue Valley for Friday night, and then Saturday during the day, temperatures rebound into the upper 30s. Any freezing fog and low clouds should break up, and we should see some sunshine for the afternoon. So your extended forecast for the coast as we head towards Sunday, winds will pick up, and we're watching a series of storm systems next week, potentially producing quite a bit of heavier rain and snow for the region. But the big question is, where will those snow levels be? Forecast models not really agreeing much with that, so we'll have to keep you posted. The potential, though, in Northern California is that we could see some pretty hefty snow in the Mount Shasta area and the mountains as well. We'll keep an eye on that. The basin definitely trending quieter as we head into the weekend, but it's going to be cold, lows in the single digits this upcoming weekend, even some sub-zero temperatures possible as well. The mountains, some more snow tomorrow on into Friday. Those Cascade Passes will remain pretty snowy and slippery. And then in the Rogue Valley, it stays pretty cold into the first weekend of 2022, but at least the weather will be quiet. Things do get wet and windy, though, as we move into next week.